Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about Realme GT Master Edition. So let's start with the design. On the right spine you can see power button, and on the left spine we have volume buttons and SIM tray. Up top, secondary microphone, and here you can see 3.5mm jack, USB Type-C port and speaker grill. At the back, phone comes with this triple camera setup, and you can also see this matte finish which gives it a very premium look and very good in-hand feel. You can also see Realme branding here. On the front you get 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display which has 409 ppi and 1000 nits of brightness. Also, the screen refresh rate of this display is 120Hz. For smooth performance, you get Snapdragon 778 processor which works on 6nm fabrication, and for your multitasking you get 6GB or 8GB of RAM. The RAM type is LPDDR4X. On the storage side, you get 128 or 256GB of storage. For the cameras, you get 64, 8 and 2. The 8 megapixel is the wide angle and the 2 megapixel is the macro sensor. On the front, you get 32 megapixel front camera in this punch hole. On the battery side, you get 4300 mAh of battery which supports 65 watts of fast charging. So that's it about Realme GT Master Edition. Thanks for watching.